prepared all of our ingredients. There's 5 here. We have 1 cup of LSA mix here. We have half a cup of coconut oil melted. We have 1 cup of cacao powder. We have 500 grams of pitted dates, all blended up nicely to make it nice and smooth. And we have 1 cup of desiccated coconut. We also have some desiccated coconut here for the end when we roll our nice balls up. So you can keep putting the desiccated coconut there as you go. So let's start. Alright, now we're at the fun stage. So you grab some of the mixture, depending on however size you want the balls. This is the size that we're going for at the moment. A good bite size. We roll it up nice with your palms and then we pop it in the coconut. You can have a little play and voila. Look at that beautiful Bliss ball. Then we just need to put it in the freezer or the fridge and make them nice and cold, and they are perfect.